in Blue Group. Today's Friday and our learning intention is to be able to subtract two two-digit numbers by using a number line. Yesterday you used a number line to help you add two two-digit numbers, and today I'm going to show you how using a number line can be a great strategy to use if you like to take away two two-digit numbers. Here are some examples. 68 take away 21. So we're starting with 68, that's the bigger number, and we're taking away, so we're going to get a smaller answer. Start by putting 68 at the end of the number line, and then you need to take away 21. If we partition 21, you're first of all going to take away 20, two tens. So do our jumps and take off 10, which makes 58. Take off another 10, which makes 48. You practiced counting back tens earlier on in the week. Once you've taken off your 20, then you just need to take off 1. Now it's not 1 10, it's just 1 1. So count back 1, you could do that as a smaller jump, and that is 47. So the answer is 47. You've taken off 10, 20, 21. Next example, 83 take off 38. You start with 83, and we're going to take off 38. So we take off the 30 first. That's 3 tens, 3 jumps of 10. Take off 10 is 73. Take off another jump of 10 is 63. Take off another jump of 10 is 53. So we've taken off our 3 tens, and now we need to take off 8. Well, it's easy to take 3 off because that gets to 50. 53 take off 3 is 50. If you want to take off 8, you've got to take another 5 off. Take off 3, take off 5, that means you've taken off 8. So take off 5 from 50, that's easy, 45. So 83 take off 38 is 45. Let's check we've taken off 38. 10, 20, 30, 38, we've taken off 38. Here's another example. Actually, let's make this a bit trickier. Let's make it 154 take off 29. You do it the same way, even if it's 3-digit numbers. So we'll start off with 154. And now we're going to take off 29. That's 2 tens, 20, 154, 144, 134. So we've taken off our 20. And now we're going to take off 9. Now we could just count back one at a time, counting back 9, but that's not very efficient. So some of you might know if you take off 9, what you can do to be quick is you can take off 10, which would be 124, but we're not taking off 10, we're only taking off 9. So you can add 1 back, which would be 125. So there's some examples about using a blank number line and empty number line to work out subtraction. Let's have a look at your independent task. So here's an example of what we've just done, 62 take off 25. When you complete these subtractions, for each subtraction you need to draw a new empty number line and count off the tens, then count off the ones. Once you've done those 8 problems, go back onto the main page and play a train game. You need to click on the subtraction train. Have a good morning.